Hey guys, this is Veronica from BehindTheCake.com. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to decorate an Easter bunny. It's really cute and I hope you like it. So let's get started. I'm gonna start placing a piece of parchment paper on top of my table. This is gonna help me with the crumbs. Now I have a chocolate cake. This is a 6-inch round. If you need a recipe, check the blog. The link is on the description box below. We're gonna start carving the cake. Just go around the figure that we printed out to do this cake. And I'm not gonna waste any pieces of cake, so I just move them around to wherever space I need them. And don't worry, because we're gonna be gluing all these pieces of cake together with the ganache. I'm gonna start rounding the edges of the cake so it looks a little bit softer. I'm gonna add some ganache on my board and I'm gonna transfer the cake. The ganache on the board is gonna help the cake to stay in place. As you can see, I'm just putting the pieces of cake. Now it's time to start ganaching. Keep on adding the ganache. You know, anyways, it's chocolate and everybody loves chocolate pretty much. So just more ganache. And you use that bottom cardboard to guide your spatula where you're gonna be putting more chocolate or more ganache in this case. And as you can see, now I'm gonna start adding in the parts that I want them to be a little bit round, which is one of the legs or the feet and also the face. And I'm gonna let it rest so it can get a little bit hard. Right here, I'm trying just to smooth out the ganache. One of the tricks that I use, I just put my cake on the freezer for about 2 minutes and then bring it out and I start adding more ganache. I'm using a plastic folder and I just cut a piece of it. This helps me to smooth out the ganache a little bit more. And it is time to cover the cake with fondant. Mark the creases and then you start working your way down. This is a fairly easy shape to cover in fondant, so you should not be having any trouble. After we're done with this, you're gonna start cutting the excess fondant. I'm using a sharp knife. Just go around the shape of the cake and then you're gonna start smoothing the edges with your fingers or with a smoothing tool. I have my cake board ready with these beautiful colors and I'm gonna transfer my little bunny to my board. You can add some ganache to the board so the cake sticks to it. And then if you have any little stains of chocolate, you can clean them up with a piece of paper towel. Just be careful with the cake. Add a stripe of pink fondant. This is gonna be like a ribbon. We're gonna be adding some flowers so you can add like a little bow. Let me add the little part of the ear. I'm using pink fondant and it was a little bit too big for this bunny ear, so I just went ahead and cut a little piece of it. You can eyeball it, you know, when it looks good or it doesn't, so you can cut it to the to the shape that you want. I'm using a little bit of cornstarch with a black coloring powder, and with my brush I'm just adding just a little shade so you can actually see the figure of the bunny. I'm doing the second ear, or the line in between the ears. I don't recommend using the black powder coloring just from the little container, because it's going to be too dark. So that's why I mix it with a little bit of cornstarch. So instead of being black, it becomes kind of like gray. And then if I need to add more, as you can see on the video, I'll just go over the same spot so it can be a little bit darker. At the nose, this is just a little ball of pink fondant, and I just place it where the nose goes. To make the tail, we're gonna use a ball of fondant. We're gonna glue it to the body with some piping gel, and to hold it in place, I'm gonna use the support of a paper towel underneath the little tail until it dries. Now I'm gonna add the eye. It's a black circle and then a white circle. I'm gonna draw the little mouth and the eyebrows. I'm adding some more detail to the face by adding some shimmer to the nose and to the ear. Also in the cheeks, so you know it looks cute, and a little bit pink. I'm gonna add the flowers to the ribbon of the neck, and it's ready. So what do you think about this Easter bunny? Do you like it? I loved it. If you did like this video, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Don't forget to check out the blog. The link is in the description box below. I would love to see what the cakes you make, and for that you can share your pictures on my Facebook group. I'm gonna drop the link on the description box below also. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.